Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either pin or unpin applications from the Start menu on Windows 11. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is actually open up the Windows Start menu, and then you see there's pinned items listed up here. Go ahead and select the All Apps button. And now you can scroll down and add whatever apps are not listed on your pinned items. You right click on it and you select pin to start. And now if you went back, it should be pinned up here. And if you want to remove any items, very simple, just right click on the item and select unpin from start, and that will remove it from the start menu pinned item list. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.